It don't matter if your hair is not that long, you could do a bob bun. I want this bun to give me very much Ching Yao, a Ching Yao effect. Low key, I want to tell y'all about how I help my hair buns to get way more slick is I use wig brush to brush it up. It's the hair for me. When I do my buns, I continue slicking it until I'm done. So, period. Top knot bun, I did that. All my cousins, you for me, I ever you, for me, then we crew, siblings, that part. This hair is giving very much blowout, very much wild, very much tiger, lion. We're about to do something I haven't done in a while, a bun, because I hate the process of buns. It's like the most difficult thing in the freaking world. But my hair has grown, it has gotten thicker, so hopefully that takes a good effect on this bun that I'm about to try to do. A ninja bun, because for my pictures that I'm taking tomorrow, I feel like a bun would be cute with the outfit I'm wearing. So also make sure you stay tuned for the pictures I'm posting tomorrow. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you don't already follow me at dripgloss period. Make sure you like this video before you even finish watching this video because it's going to be pretty cute. All my hair videos are bomb, so make sure you go tune into them if you need some hair ideas. So let's get into it. So my man went and got me some scrunchies and some bobby pins because if in case you ain't know, I recently moved here, so I don't really have that much stuff that I usually have at my old house because I moved, so I don't really got a lot. Cause you know you can't do a bun without no scrunchies or bobby pins unless you got super duper long hair, manageable hair, but I just know I was gonna need some. My hair is like oiled and got product in the front, but not the back, because I was putting on my strap-on wig. This is the perfect time to do me a bun, so that's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm about to do. Dang, my hair really grew, bro. My hair really grew. I'ma just be using some ooh, I need to use some mousse too. The key to slicking your hair real bomb is mousse. So I'll be right back when I got my mousse. Bada boom, bada bang. So you need some mousse. Well, that's what I would suggest. And I'm using gel as control as usual. And I just need to put some mousse on my hair in the front to loosen this stiffness up right here. It loosens up the stiffness of the edge control. Do y'all miss me doing hair videos? Oh, I done got some in my hair. Oh well. In the comments, comment if you miss me doing hair videos. It don't matter if you bald headed. It don't matter if your hair length of Lord Farquaad. It don't matter if your hair is not that long. You could do a bob bun.
I prefer Jack London's to win off of what she
did
on
so
stage.
Dang. My hair was already slick in the front, so I don't really gotta do that much slicking besides the back. So that's what I'm about to do, slick the back of my head with this edge control, instant control. This is probably my favorite one right now because it works so good. But it do be turning white, I'm not gonna lie. That's one thing I do not like about it. It be turning white.
A beauty supreme, a queen, whatever. As long as we beat them, I'm good with it.
I'm slicking the back of my head right now. I want this bun to be super high.
For the next pageant, we just have to work.
I want to go for I want this bun to give me very much Ching Yao, a Ching Yao effect. It's the hair for me.
You know, it's hard when the girls that beat Jack.
It's the hair for
She
me.
doesn't understand. She has everyone else make Grand Supreme.
Okay. I need some more mousse.
That's
Don't. Dry it up. It's okay.
Low key, I want to tell y'all about how I help my hair buns to get way more slick. Is I use my wig brush to brush it up so we get all the little any lumps and knots out, so it can be slick like a slick like a bun, 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 slick. Ugh, I don't like that nappy looking bun stuff. I don't like when a bun look like low dry nappy-ish. I don't like that effect. I like the smooth, shiny effect bun, or the curly, messy bun looking. I like the hair to be slick and the bun to be looking a certain way. I'm very picky about my buns.
She never said anything to me. She made me think everything was perfect and happy.
She royally screwed up because we are the
It's the hair for me, so now I'm about to slick it.
The pageant we're doing this weekend is called
There's a problem. I have no problem kicking those people out.
She just had ass.
Alright, so you already know, if you new here, then you need to know that my key thing when I slick my hair is I put the edge control first, and then I put a little bit of gel on top of it. I always use more edge control than gel.
This has its own magic.
Welcome to the 2016 Jungle Safari Pageant here in Shreveport, Louisiana.
Make sure you put your edges out before you put your bun.
Both of the Sassy
Well,
Supreme.
put your ponytail holder on.
If you want beauty, you're pretty much done.
Accept this as a business and not out to like it's a hobby. Where Jamie hasn't grown up yet.
Tina's daughters used to be on the Sassy Supreme.
telling everyone she was planning on switching to Camry. So after this last pageant, I found out Camry's been telling people that she's planning on switching to Camry.
Okay, so now I'm about to put it in the scrunchie.
And I didn't trust it.
I got it
I didn't know what I was
nice and
and had Tina like tell me
slick.
like what her experience was.
Even though I'm gonna keep slicking it, I always, when I do my buns, I continue slicking it until I'm done. Like, even when it's in the scrunchie. Like, I'm really like real picky about my hair and how it come out.
If I don't know about it.
Especially buns. Like, I want it to be
You're okay
perfect.
with everybody like helps everyone everything, and so I'm hearing all of this stuff.
But that's the pageant world.
Can I finish what I'm saying? So I wanted to trust you, and like I guess that's kind of what my thing is that I think you should be.
What's her issues? She's talking about everybody in the team. Either she goes or I go.
Okay, if you can hear me, clap once.
These scrunchies is not that good.
That happened at the pageant last week that were good and some things that were bad. I was happy with what we won. We had a mini, a grand, an ultimate, and a mega ultimate. So let's give all the girls that competed last weekend a round of applause. Last week's pageant in Louisiana, we did really well there. Give your mom a hug and let's go. But after the fact, there was a lot of drama with moms on my team, and that's not gonna work. I'm like constantly getting phone calls like someone said this, someone said that. Like I do not like mama drama. If there's a problem, then why don't you just call that person and just handle it and get it done? Who cares? You win some and you lose some.
This not how I'm about to wear my bun, by the way. I'm just about to slick it some more.
But this is between Jamie and I.
It doesn't matter who it's between. Actually,
Don't mind my bun, I'm just trying to slick my hair to perfection right now, so I'm about to use the mousse. so that it makes my hair real hard. Not hard, but like in place. Even though I'm gonna keep slicking it, I always, when I do my buns, I continue slicking it until I'm done.
Don't have a coach. Yeah. I just think I need to take a couple days to think and reevaluate then.
Alright, so I've been struggling for like 30 minutes trying to get my hair high where I wanted it and slicked in the back. So it's in the position that I wanted to do. So now I'm about to be shaping my bun. And yeah, this pretty much, I don't have a technique for this. I'm just about to do what I can.
Honestly, like, her modeling is not really up to par for her age, but she pulls it off because she's so stinking cute. So how do you feel about this weekend?
Nervous? Hopeful? I guess. As soon as we switch to Cambry.
And I'm gonna be grabbing bobby pins and just pinning as I go.
Caitlin really got robbed last time she was at Gemstars, and everyone that was at the pageant told me like how awful it was.
Crying.
It was really mean. I'm just asking because I've never been, so I'm trying to like figure out like what we're like getting ourselves into here.
Did my crown, did my sash.
Coached by me. Gemstars, they'll take 6 points per event, which is basically giving your kid last place. So we can't help her.
So,
Toys back.
period. Bro, my hair really freaking grew. Like, I would have never, ever been able to get a bun this perfect, this fast if my hair wasn't this, how much it grew. Like, I used to struggle for hours to get the perfect shaped bun, but look how big it's tall, it's big, it's tall, it's big. You want some more hair? Get pregnant. Nah, just playing. Period, bro. So I really just did that real fast, real easy. Yeah, it gave what I wanted it to give, and I'm happy. Super happy. I'm about to wrap my hair though, so it's still bomb in the morning. I'm probably gonna have to redo my bun, but who cares, bro? It's so easy now. Like, top knot bun, I did that. Y'all like this video if I really just did that really easy, like real bomb, real perfect. I'm happy. I'm out of here. Let me know if y'all want more hair tutorials. Since my hair grew more, I'll probably do more stuff for y'all. But I'm about to go to bed. It's usually 1 in the morning. Mom life. So I'll see y'all in the next one.